Welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about the latest videos. The video is about Android Windows 10 computer launcher with lots of features and widgets just like Windows 10. So let's start with the video and see how it works. Open Google Play Store, search the app computer launcher. Here is the app. Install this app. Let's see some more about this app. What's new about this app? Here are the details given. Desktop computer launcher design, support file manager, and lots of other features. Computer launcher style, start menu, Android application in stylish styles, easy navigation to the apps, create folders, and lots of other features. You can read it yourself. App is installed now. Open it. Here is the launcher. You can see it's just like Windows 10. Here it shows the app, Skype, email, camera, Facebook, WhatsApp. Click allow. Access network device, device info, done. And here you can see your files, documents, downloads, photo and other. Here is the date and time. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, battery, sound and other options. Here are the remove ads, settings, file explorer. Here are the settings, default launcher settings, other settings, themes. You can choose other themes, Py theme. Here are the other options. Customize according to your needs. This is all about this app. You can change your mobile layout into Windows 10 computer launcher. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.